right. See you soon.
All right, see you soon.
Okay.
All right, see you soon.
Minutes.
All right, see you soon.
Bye. All right, see you soon.
All right, see you soon. Use to agree and say goodbye. Meaning, okay, I'll see you soon.
Only for a moment.
If only for a moment.
Only for a moment.
If only for one moment.
If only for a moment. Use when something happens briefly. Meaning, even for a short time.
Give it a try.
Give it a try.
Give it a try.
Give it a try.
Give it a try. Use to encourage someone to try something. Meaning, try it.
Again. Oh, that makes me so happy.
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 That makes me so happy. Use to express joy. Meaning, I'm really happy.
Take care of myself right now.
I can take care of myself. Right? I can take care of myself, right?
I can take care of myself.
I can take care of myself, right? Use to show independence. Meaning, I'm fine on my own.